Okay guys, there is a recipe online right now going around, and it's a macaroni and cheese that is made with potatoes and a carrot.
It's good.
But
It's good.
not great. It's not great. So if you don't mind a tiny bit of fat for a little bit of flavor, then my sister has a different recipe, and it is amazing. And it really, really tastes like macaroni and cheese, and it's good for you.
It's good for you.
So try it out.
There's a video or a recipe online about macaroni and not cheese using a potato and a carrot. Now, I think that that's a great recipe and it works really well for a lot of people, but my favorite recipe involves a little bit of cashews and a whole lot of corn grits, because corn grits is a starch and people really, really like starch. We have taste buds for it. So I went ahead and made this recipe for macaroni and not cheese, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. Hi, Nona.